The India Meteorological Department (IMD) has commissioned 2 new Agromet Automatic Weather Stations (AWS) in Nagaland that will strengthen the state's infrastructure for weather forecasting for agriculture, disaster management and aviation, among others. The commissioning programs for the new installations at Krishi Vigyan Kendra Lumami and Krishi Vigyan Kendra Yisemyong were held on February 7 with the State Agricultural Production Commissioner Kikheto Sema as special guest. Deputy Director General, IMD Northeast, Dr KN Mohan, Nagaland University Vice Chancellor, Professor Pardeshi and officials from the agri and allied departments also attended the programs. According to updates from the Department of Soil and Water Conservation, the state APC noted that due to climate change, prediction of seasonal weather has become challenging without the aid of modern observing equipments like the AWS. In the past year, the state faced a drought-like situation wherein the state did not receive any rainfall in the monsoon season. However, the state government could not send any advisory to the farmers because there were no such facilities, the APC informed. Sharing on the agriculture scenario in the state, the APC said that in Nagaland, 70% of the population living in rural areas depend on agriculture and allied activities. Out of this, 73% are engaged in a traditional chum or shifting cultivation, which according to him is not found to be economically viable and ecologically sustainable, and 27% are engaged in settled farming. This is because the farmers are still practicing old and traditional methods, but the weather is changing very fast, he said. The APC assured that the state government is willing to extend all possible help in setting up of infrastructure required to build a strong network for weather forecasting. According to an update, under the initiative of Ministry of Earth Sciences, Government of India, the India Meteorological Department, in coordination with the Department of Soil and Water Conservation, Nagaland, is working closely for improvement of weather-related services in the state.